The High Court in Shah Alam has set March 4th to rule on a motion filed by Zayn Rayyan Abdul Matin's parents to strike out a child neglect charge for allegedly placing their son at risk of physical harm. Judge Rosyanayati Ahmad fixed the date on Tuesday after hearing arguments from both the defense and prosecution on the charge's validity. Defense counsel Marcus Lee, representing Zayn's parents, Zaim Ikhwan Zahari and Ismanira Abdul Manaf, argued that the charge under Section 31, subsection 1 of the Child Act 2001 was flawed and did not meet the requirements of Section 154 of the Criminal Procedure Code, CPC. He contended that, unlike murder charges, which do not always specify the method of killing, neglect cases under Section 31 require a subjective assessment of whether the alleged neglect was likely to cause harm. Lee also claimed that the charge's wording, in a manner likely to cause harm, merely repeated the law without specifying the actual act of neglect, making it difficult for his clients to mount a proper defense. However, Deputy Public Prosecutor Raja Zaizul Farida Raja Zaharuddin countered that the charge was not defective and complied with Sections 152 and 153 of the CPC. She explained that under Section 31, subsection 1, subsection A of the Child Act 2001, the prosecution only needs to prove that the victim was a child under 18, that the accused had custody of the child, and that the accused neglected the child, resulting in physical or emotional harm. She argued that the charge correctly followed the legal provisions, including the term likely, which is explicitly stated in the statute. She also pointed out that the trial in the Sessions Court is already underway, with 20 witnesses called and at least 10 more expected to testify in March. Raja Zaizul dismissed the defense's claim that the charge was vague, arguing that if it were truly unclear, the defense would not have been able to effectively cross-examine prosecution witnesses. In December 2023, 6-year-old Zayn Rayyan was reported missing in Damansara Damai, Selangor. The autistic boy's body was found the next day in a nearby stream, with autopsy results indicating injuries consistent with self-defense. His parents were charged in June 2024 under Section 31, subsection 1, subsection A of the Child Act, but pleaded not guilty. They filed a motion on January 21st to dismiss the charge, which the Petaling Jaya Sessions Court rejected on February 3rd. The trial continues with the next session set for March 11th.